Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so first, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down a little bit until you find Wallpaper and Style. Now click on Change Wallpapers. In here simply select the wallpaper that you are interested in. Now click on that. And now choose where to apply and make sure that lock screen is enabled right in here. So now simply click on next. Now wait a little bit. Click on done. Okay, and now our wallpaper has been set. Now just let's make sure. And now as you can see, our wallpaper has been successfully changed. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.